Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung SmartThings Hub setup and device discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Samsung SmartThings Hub and all necessary devices within reach. Download the SmartThings app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the SmartThings app and sign in using your Samsung account. If you do not have a Samsung account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select device from the list of options. Choose Samsung or by brand to find your specific device type. Follow the in-app instructions to put your device into pairing mode. Make sure your SmartThings Hub is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. The app will search for available devices to connect. When your device appears on the screen, select it to begin the connection process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup of the device. You may need to assign your device to a particular room for easier management. Once setup is complete, you'll see your device listed in the SmartThings app. Test the device to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you have more devices to connect, repeat the process for each one. Explore the features in the app to customize your SmartThings experience. Familiarize yourself with automation options for enhanced convenience. Regularly check for firmware updates in the app to keep your devices running smoothly. That concludes the setup and device discovery process for your Samsung SmartThings Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.